Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. Am I audible to all of you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So only one section have joined. Which section? Section G.
Section G.
Only section G.
Yes, sir.
Why not H? What happened to them?
So I think they have another class.
I don't think they will have any class right now. What is the meeting passcode? Can you give me? Hello? Can you listen me? Do you know the meeting passcode?
908203.
908203.
03.
Wait a minute. Yes, now tell
8203.
8203.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know anybody from section H?
No, sir.
Okay. Let them come also, right? Just wait for 2-3 minutes. I have posted this message to their group. Okay, I think most of you have joined. Now we can begin our lecture. So last time I showed you one video from Harvard University by Professor Michael J. Sandel, and he was discussing the case of cannibalism, right? If I remember
Yes,
clearly.
sir.
Yes. So I'm giving you 6 minutes to all of you. And then we will have the discussion over the case study. Let me give you a very quick review of the case of cannibalism. It's a real case. It happened in 17th century. There are 4 characters. Thomas Dudley, captain. Edmund Rook was sailor. Stephenson was a friend of Dudley. And Richard Parker was the cabin boy. They started a sea voyage. Their ship went down. Anyhow, they shaped their life, coming into the lifeboat. Thereafter, Thomas Dudley advised not to drink salty water to everyone. And he said that we have to wait for rescue. After, they had nothing but 2 bottles of preserved turnip and no fresh water. So for 4 days, they ate nothing. Then they start eating small rations of the turnips. They finished by 6-7 days. Later on, they caught a turtle and subsisted on 4-5-6 days on the turtle. 16-day post, no rescue came. And what happened that Richard Parker drank salty water and he was ill, lying down on the boat in a corner unconsciously. So Dudley advised why not to draw the lottery, so to decide who will sacrifice his life so that others 3 can survive. But nobody agreed upon this lottery option. Then after 18 days, Dudley proposed to everyone that it is better they killed Richard Parker since he is ill, unconscious, and dying. But Edmund Brooke said, no, it's wrong. But after 18 days, when no rescue came, Thomas Dudley opened a penknife, cut the jugular bone of the Richard Parker, and killed him straight away. After 19 days, they had breakfast of the flesh and the blood of the Richard Parker. After 24th day, rescue came. They rescued and they all arrested and went back to the England. There, the case was registered as Queen versus Dudley Stephenson. Right? This is a very famous law case in the legal studies also. Queen versus Dudley Stephenson. In ethics, we call it the case of cannibalism. So when this case registered in the England court, Edmund Brooke turned public witness. He told everything what happened that time. Now, Dudley and Stephenson, they argued with the, in the courtroom that what they did was completely out of necessity because they had no other way to save their life. So they killed Richard Parker only in the view that they had to survive and there was no other way to save their lives. That was the argument from necessity, right? So that was the case. Now, suppose you all are acting as a judge. So, will you exonerate, forgive Dudley and Stevenson for what they did? First, and what do you think? What kind of judgment, ethical decision making that you would do in favor or against of them? That is a question we have to discuss. So I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to catch your views, right? And then we will start our discussion on this a case of cannibalism. Is that clear to all of you? Please respond quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's start the discussion at 3:16. Hello. Yes, now start your discussion quickly. Section G and H. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
may I?
Yeah. Section.
Section G, roll number 63.
What's your name?
Subhanshi.
Yes, Sumanji.
Sir, I think it was not right. I mean, they should not go with uh, man eating. And reason for that, uh, as there was no, it was not declared that if they will kill one, then the other three will be safe. Maybe the others couldn't rescue them. So what was they were going to do? They will kill one by one the weakest one. And at last, when there was a single person, then what will they then what will the person do? I mean, was he going to eat himself? So, as it is not possible to eat your own self, then it was also not right to eat someone other on the basis of weak or strong.
Hmm.
And secondly,
Okay.
expecting that someone will rescue them. And if they were supposing that, then they had a mind. They should keep it in their mind that they are going back to their country or state where man eating is mm, man eating is banned. So they will get punishment. If they accepted that okay, we are going to live here forever, then it was on their hand that how they are going to what way they are going to live there. But if they were expecting that okay, one day I will go back, then they should be ready that they will get punishment there. So that's all from my side.
Okay, Sumanji, thank you. More views?
Sir, Yogesh Yadav from section G.
Yogesh, your number?
Sir, 72.
Yes, Yogesh. Speak.
Sir, according to me, sir, this is wrong. Sir, according to me, this is wrong. Killing someone for food. It's totally wrong because I know it's critical situation where we have to select or do something for your hunger, but we can't kill anyone for food. Actually, I have watched a case study on Discovery TV in my childhood. It was like same that they are 6 or 8 people, they are siblings, and they gone for a trip on a yacht. Unfortunately, their yacht was damaged and they stuck in a sea. But none of them they have little bit food for a week or 10 days. Uh, uh, as as one of them drink seawater and have some and has suffered from some disease, but none of them kill anyone for food. They keep calm and so that's all. But overall, this is the wrong to killing someone for food. They have to wait and they have to control the hunger. If anyone die, they have don't kill. They don't need to eat it. Eat them.
Okay, Yogesh, thank you. More
And
views?
sir, there was one more thing I want to add that what if they were a family? If that 17 years old boy, if he was his brother,
Yes, that's interesting point, but he was orphan.
Sir, as my
then we
as my
don't have
told.
right to decide others' life. Maybe he has big dreams, or he was supposing to do something for other orphan childs.
Right, but they all had families. He
Yes,
had
but
Sir,
not family. But it means they choose the man eating because they were not family. They did, they know that it is wrong, but as it was like, okay, this is my family and I don't care for others, I will see that what I have to do. So it's being selfish. Someone, if a thief steals something, then he's selfish. He's not thinking about the person from whom he is robbing the money. And same in the case of murders also. So it was also a kind of murder for for uh, being selfish.
Okay. Yes, more views. Thank you. Please quickly join all of you.
Sir, section H, roll number 20.
Roll number 20. What's the name?
Yes, sir. Sir
Yes.
Chetan Singh. Sir,
Yes, speak up.
sir, it is not required to kill a person just for hunger. This scene I have seen in one movie. The same message was given. The movie was Life of Pi, where a boy was stuck with a tiger, and he has managed to get the food. While he was sailing, he has managed to get the food even for tiger and the boy. Both have survived there. So it is not the option to kill a person for hunger.
Okay. Thank you. More views. Isha
Hello.
Gupta, section G, 30. Yes, who is there?
Sir, roll number 26, Garv Tumar from section H.
Yes, speak.
Sir, according to me, what they have done was not wrong, because I think when you have not eaten something from 18 days and you are suffering in between the ocean, in middle of the ocean, where you have nothing, no hopes and all for surviving, you don't have control on your thoughts. You are you don't even think what is wrong, what is right. At that situation, you don't have your mind that I am doing this what I am doing is right or not. For surviving, a man will go what they have done, will go for what they have done, because they have no other option. They have to if they have to survive, then they have to do that.
Okay.
And yeah, I think yes sir, one more point. I think what they have done was not wrong. The situation was that they have to do this. The
Okay.
situation was wrong. Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Next. Section G, 41. Roll of 41, section G. Are you absent? Section G, 41. Section G, 39. 41 and 39. You both are absent. Please express your views. Why your mic is not working? You must use the right kind of devices while taking your lecture. This can't be an excuse.
Sir, roll number 24, section H.
Yes. What's your name?
Dushyant Verma.
Okay, Dushyant, go ahead.
I think it was a scary action that the people take to kill their friend for food. It was not a good action because as a human, our goal is not to survive. Our goal is to survive together and face the problem together. Uh, so the problem will sort out easily. But for food to kill someone is not a better option to do. If your friend is ill or he is weak, then it doesn't make sense to you kill him for your need. There are some other option that you can choose to save your friend as well as yourself. uh, that's also.
Okay, thank you. Yes, next. Nidhi Kulshrestha, roll number 39, section G. Nidhi Kulshrestha, you are absent. Section G, Shreya Yadav, 61. 61. Shreya Yadav. Saurav Kumar, 53. Saurav Kumar, 53.
Yes, sir.
Express your views.
Sir, actually, so according to me, the situation is more wrong because they have options like they should as they were in a sea, they should go for have food like from other resources like from fishes and other things. But to kill somebody for your necessity is wrong in my view.
Okay.
Sir, roll number 52, section H.
What's your name?
Sir Salman.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, in this situation, in my opinion, it is not right decision to kill someone for food. We survive this situation. We try to manage some other option for food and try to control our this situation and try to avoid to kill someone.
Hmm. Yes, more views.
Sir, roll number 29,
Section.
section H, Gauri Sharma.
Yes, Gauri. Speak.
So, in my point of view, and to kill someone is not a proper solution for a food. If we do that, there is a no difference between the human being and the animal,
Hmm.
and we all try to find some solution for hunger.
Hmm.
That's all.
Okay. More views.
Sir, roll number 48, section G.
What's your name?
Ritik.
Yes, Ritik.
Sir, in my point of view, that was totally wrong. Really, that time the situation was very crucial for them. But they should think about the humanity. If that man belongs from his family, then they never think for become cannibal.
Hmm.
So they should think of other way to control his hunger, like fish and some other sources.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. More views. Section H, number 48. Section H, number 48. Absent. Those roll numbers I am, making red. Please very clearly listen. I will give you 0. I'm telling you. Straight forward, I'm telling you, I will give you 0 in TA. जितनों का भी मैं रेड कर रहा हूं. Satyam Mishra, Section H53. Satyam, can you hear me?
So Satyam Mishra, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I cannot share my thoughts today, sir. My thought is not clear, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Shivangi Gupta, Section H58. Shivangi Gupta, Section H58. Shivangi, are you there? Hello? Hello? So you are also absent. Don't message me here, please. Try to express your views. Use your mic and express your points. Shikhar Pandey, Section H, 255. Shikhar Pandey. Sharthak Mittal, Section G, Rule 57. Okay, I will be carrying on this discussion till next class. In the next class, I will be giving my conclusive views by certain arguments. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, roll number 13, section G.
1-3.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, Anurag.
Yes, Anurag.
Sir, according to me, this is not wrong because they have to survive at the end. There are times when we have when the only way to prevent a large number of people is to harm small number, or it may be a choice to harm small number of people. In this case, because of Richard Parker, 3 men survive at the end because of him. So this is not wrong according to me.
Okay. Okay, thank you all of you. We will carry on this discussion to the next class. There I will be giving you certain arguments with conclusive remark. Thank you all.